Yeah. I realized I didn't know the videos I uploaded before. So yeah, this is about like 4 minutes. So yeah, I have another turn to think about something. Or not. The moves is getting weaker. So I'll keep this up. And soon, eventually, Red will not use full restore. Which he should be using. Soon the Dragon Pulse will just get weaker and weaker, weaker, and weaker, and weaker. Soon it will not be close to half point anyways. And it just passed, it's going to be passing the half point, isn't it? Which that's cheap. Why would the move just get stronger after it hit? Dragon Pulse. Let's see if it gets weaker. Come on. Weaker. Weaker Dragon Pulse. Weaker Dragon Pulse. Come on. Come on. That's cheap again. It should have like 15 Dragon Pulse, so yeah, for those 15 turns it would like supposed to keep going on. I think to use Slash at some point. Yay, Charizard should be getting weaker from the damage it's getting caused by. Oh, would we also see a Bayleef of mine to take down Red's Charizard? How great would that be? And I want Sentret. Sentret and no Surf to take. I want Sentret to take out Red's bad choice to pick this play. And seriously, come on. It's getting damaged. Seriously? It's really bringing this thing up? Okay, pretty much my decision if I want to do it or not. Let's see. I'll revive another one. There's a chance I will not, that the goal will not, yeah, it's a revive this one. Come on, goal survive, that would be great. Yes! I was able to restore a Pokemon, and Golem survives. That's awesome. So yeah, I might be cut off because, like I said, like 4 minutes, so I had to go delete those 2 videos I upload. Oh, I have more film. Dragon Pulse. Ah, I get fully. So yeah, after you beat Red, you can battle him again after you beat Elite Four again. So yeah, if you want to battle Red, you have to beat Elite Four again. What if I just want to go to Red and just battle him all day? So, Red's the strongest champ. Crunch, what was your strategy to take him out? Crunch, you can see this. My strategy I did not plan out. Set Trent, we need you. So if I get cut off any time, like around now. Yeah. Sorry about that. Forgot. Air Slash. Oh, I'm starting to use Air Slash. Awesome. It's a weaker move.